Have you been told, or do you believe that you need to have a bunch of different offers, programs or products, and maybe even funnels inside of your coaching business in order for you to cross that six or multiple six-figure mark? Maybe you're seeing other people out there with all these cool, trendy offers, all the way from high ticket programs, all the way down to like those $7 ebooks and everything in between. And you're probably wondering, well, maybe if I just offered something like that too, maybe if I just created something like that and offered that, then maybe that'll help you to cross that six-figure mark too. Listen. Did you know that there are really only 3 types of offers that you need in order to cross your first or next 6 or multiple 6 figures? In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what those 3 offers are and how you can go about creating them so you too can be a 6 or multiple 6-figure earner. But before we dive in, I just wanted to give you a quick reminder that the doors to Signature Offer That Sells, my 6-month group coaching container that teaches you everything you need to know to create, launch, and scale your very own signature offer, is now open for applications. So if you are ready to add a signature offer, whether you want to launch or relaunch your very own signature offer, then I want you to head over to the link in the description to apply. So let's dive into today's conversation around what these 3 offers are. Now, before we get into the details, I do want to share with you that while it is entirely possible for you to grow your business with any one of these offers on its own, it really will help you to expedite the process if you have these 3 offers in conjunction with each other. So it will help you to increase your revenue much faster when you have these 3 offers working in tandem with each other inside of your business. So I just want to throw that out to you. So as you listen, as we dive into the content for today, just be aware that yes, they can be really powerful as standalone offers, but in conjunction with each other, together, working together is when you can create real magic and real results really, really fast in your business. Okay, so let's get into what the very first offer is. The very first type of offer you can and should have inside your coaching business in order for you to hit your first or next 6 or multiple 6 figures is a high ticket offer that you sell for $3,000 or more. Okay, so your high ticket offer could be your one-on-one coaching. It could be a high level group coaching program. It could be a mastermind. It could be a inner circle. It could be any level of program where you're providing coaching, you're providing support to your clients on a high level that you're charging a high ticket price for. Again, anything $3,000 or more. So now why high ticket? Well, listen, it boils down to simple math. Let's just say, for example, let's play with some easy numbers. And let's just say, for example, that you offer a coaching service or you offer one of your coaching programs or your coaching packages and it's $1,000, right? And let's say you're selling it for $1,000. In order for you to make $100,000 in your business, you would need to sell 100 coaching spots or 100 units of that program in order for you to make $100,000, right? Now, think about that. 100 units over the course of a year can be a whole lot. Like, you don't want to be working with 100 students or, selling 100 of your programs in order for you to cross the 6-figure mark, right? Now, let's play with some other numbers. Let's say you were to offer your coaching services or a high ticket offer, as I mentioned, at $3,000 or more. If you wanted to hit $100,000, you would only need to sell 33 units or 33 spots inside your program in order to cross the 6-figure mark. So again, it's basic math, right? So one of the things I always encourage my clients and my students to do is, if you are offering your services at the lower end, and especially if you've been doing this for a while, I really, really encourage you to consider increasing your prices to allow you to scale even faster. Not only do you get back a significant amount of time, but you will see your results expedite itself, because at the higher ticket mark, you also attract clients who have more skin in the game and who are really ready to take more actions faster, right? So this especially applies to you if you are offering like one-on-one coaching or consulting or any sort of group services where you're exchanging, you're exchanging your time for your services. You're exchanging your services for their time, right? And the truth of the matter is, if you are coaching and you've been coaching, even if you're just starting out coaching, you are in such a valuable position and your services are in such need that you should be charging high ticket. I believe every coach should be charging high ticket, right? But that's a video for another day. So this especially applies to you if you're offering coaching or consulting or any sort of like one-on-one or one-to-many group level services where you're exchanging your services in exchange for their time, right? I firmly believe that every single coach should be charging high ticket because the transformation that you provide and the results that you provide for your clients is so valuable. It should be priced at a higher ticket price point because your time is money. Okay, so let's get into the second type of offer. So you've got your high ticket offer. The second type of offer you should be offering is an entry-level paid offer. So the purpose of this kind of offer is really to get people into your pipeline who may not be quite ready yet, whether it's financially or whether it's just kind of mentally where they are, to invest at a higher level, and they may not quite be ready for your higher level offers, right? So the purposes of this entry level paid offer is to get them into your pipeline, really support them, and then move them through that pipeline into your higher level offers. So an entry level paid offer could be an intensive, it could be an audit, it could be any sort of lower priced, lower ticket group coaching program or course, or any one of those lower level, lower ticket offers. Again, the goal and the intention of this offer is to move people who are in that beginner level, entry level phase of their journey into the higher ticket offer. I also want you to keep in mind that not everyone is going to continue to invest on up with you, right? And that's okay. Some will and some won't. But most of the time, if you are providing results and people are getting transformations from working with you, they will more than likely continue to invest with you at a higher level. Because if they're getting the results, they're going to want to continue to get those results with you, right? So you kind of want to think of it like, that appetizer that's so delicious that it just makes them want the main course even more. And the beautiful thing about this type of offer is that you kind of get to witness that full transformation with your clients. You get to see them at that entry level, beginner level phase, and you get to move them through that pipeline into your higher level offers and see that full 360 transformation of your clients as they come to work with you and they end their journey with you in a higher ticket offer where you see them through every phase of their journey, right? Now, honestly, entry level paid offers are perhaps one of the easiest offers to create because you're likely already doing it with your clients, right? So it's likely the first thing you do with clients when they come to work with you. So, and it's that thing that you help them to you prepare them to help them get long-term transformations and long-term results. So chances are you're already doing it with them. It's just a matter of taking it out, extracting it from some of your other offers perhaps, and then packaging that as its own standalone offer. So I'll give you a practical example of that, what that would look like. Let's say you're a copywriter, right? And you work with clients, you're a copywriter coach, and you work with clients to help them prepare for their launches. Typically, when a client comes to you, you're more than likely helping them nail their messaging, nail who their ideal clients are, nail what their program and their offer is for, right? Before you move on to coach them through like writing copy or doing whatever it is that you do with them. Now, it's entirely possible for you to create an entry-level paid program like an intensive or something along those lines, where you can just help them with that beginning phase of nailing down who their clients are and what their program is for and what the messaging is around that, and have that be your standalone offer that you can then move them through into your higher level, more longer term programs with. One thing to note about these offers is that they're usually a shorter term commitment, and they usually have less face-to-face or one-on-one time with you. So again, it's like that teaser level offer where they get to see what it's like to work with you. And then you're working with them and it's so great that they end up wanting to move on to working with you on even deeper levels and an even higher level for more long-term, more of a higher ticket program or higher ticket offer. So that's how the entry-level paid offer will work. So if you don't have an entry-level offer yet in your business, then I really want to encourage you to start thinking about what can you create to offer as a stair step into your higher level offers. To think about, what are you already doing with your clients? What's a pattern that you're repeating over and over with your clients? Usually the thing that's going to help them unlock the other thing, that they just need to start with that, and then that'll help them to create bigger transformation. What is that thing? And can you take that and package that and create its own little standalone entry-level paid offer for, right? And if you have an idea for an offer, or if you already have an offer, pop them in the comments. Let's see what your offer ideas are. Okay, so the third offer that you need to have in your coaching business is a pretty self-explanatory one that most of you may already have, and that is a free lead generating offer. So the sole purpose of this offer is for you to generate leads for your paid offers, period. Hence the name lead generating, right? So this is a free offer. This can be a free training. This can be a free digital download. This can be a free call, a strategy call, a coaching call, a discovery call, a makeover call, an assessment, whatever you want to call it, right? And again, most of you already are doing this in your business. Most of you already have this in your business. So I won't spend a ton of time on this here. But the thing that I want you to know is the key to making this offer work, and the key to making this offer actually convert into paying clients for you and into sales for you, is really, really nailing down your ideal clients' pains and desires, right? And really crafting this free offer, this free lead generating offer around that. So, and also making sure that your messaging and all of the marketing is working to help you attract the right clients. So let's think of it this way. You want to think about your free lead generating offer as the top of your funnel. So you want to make sure that you're attracting the right clients from the get-go at the top of your funnel, right? So you really, really want to make sure that your messaging is nailed, that you're crystal clear on those ideal clients. What are their pain points? What are the desires? What is it that they're struggling with, and how is your offer going to help them? And you want to make sure that your free lead generating offer is also solving that problem on a micro level. Because again, remember, this is a free offer, so you don't want to be solving all their problems at this level, but you do want to solve them at a micro level that will help for you to pre-qualify them as a lead for your future higher paid offers, right? So again, think about them as the top of your funnel. You want to make sure that this offer is structured so well, your lead generating offer, that you're attracting the right people. The marketing around this offer, your messaging around this offer, again, whether it's a free training, whether it's a free download, whether it's a free call, you want to make sure that when you're promoting this free offer, that all of your messaging and all of your marketing around it is really tight and really aligned with who those ideal clients are, so that you are drawing in the right people at the top of the funnel. So then when it comes time for them to invest with you in the paid level, they're also the right fit clients. So that's the key to making your free lead generating offer work. One of the biggest mistakes I see happening is that coaches and service providers and entrepreneurs are pumping out freebie after freebie after freebie and offering free thing after free thing after free thing. And the people that are, consuming their free content is not converting into paid clients. And the reason for that is that your free thing might be great, but we want to make sure that all of the messaging and the angles and the marketing and everything you're doing around that is aligned with who that vision is for your perfect fit ideal clients. So before you craft your free lead generating offer, I want you to think about who are the ideal, most perfect fit paid clients that you would be wanting to work with. Who are those people? What are their characteristics? What are the things that wake them up at night? What are the things that lights them up, right? Think about those people that you want to be working with in a paid container, and speak to those people even in your free thing. Speak to those people from the top of your funnel, even when you're marketing your free thing. Okay, so here is a bonus fourth type of offer that you can create in your coaching business that will help you scale to 6 figures and beyond. And that type of offer is a evergreen low ticket DIY offer. Okay, so you might have seen these floating around the interwebs, floating around the social streets. These are the also known as the $27, the $37, the $47 type offers, right? I'm sure you've seen those around. These are really, really great. And these can serve as a great front end of your funnel to your paid offers. So similar to the free lead generating offer, this is really great because this kind of offer not only helps you to generate leads, but it also helps you to generate sales from those leads right off the bat. So it's a win-win, right? It's not just about the lead acquisition, it's also about the buyer or the sale or the customer acquisition right off the bat. So one of the things I want to note about this type of offer is that while it is super desirable right now, and it does have the potential to help you cross that 6-figure mark, it does require time, resources, and a budget to test and scale to see if it makes sense and to see if it's actually profitable and worthwhile in your business, right? Remember that first example about having $1,000 offer and having to sell 100 of those in order to cross 6 figures? Think about having a $27 or $37 offer, how many units you'd need to sell in order to cross the 6 figures with that, right? So these offers are super desirable and they're great to have on the back end. But in order for them to really be working for your business, for it to be scalable, for it to be profitable, it makes most sense to have those in some sort of an evergreen setup that's constantly running in the background, which does require time and resources and money to test and get it to a place again where it's profitable. But also think about it again from the funnel perspective, which is in order for this type of offer to really be worthwhile and help you cross that 6-figure mark, it also has to align and it also has to work in conjunction with your other offers. So that's one thing I just want to make note on that, because again, I know it's super easy to say, let me just put together this bundle. Let me just create this $27 thing. And that's the hot thing right now. That's what everybody's doing. That's all I need. It's great. But just make sure that you're aware, if you do want to create one of these things, that you are aware what goes into these types of offers in order for it to really become profitable and really work for your business. So just a quick recap, we talked about the 3 types of offers you need inside your coaching business to help you scale to your first or next 6 or multiple 6-figure mark. And that is a high ticket offer that you can sell for $3,000 or more, an entry-level paid offer, and a free lead generating offer. And the bonus offer was a evergreen lower ticket DIY offer. Now, as I mentioned before, each of these offers are powerful on its own, but when combined and designed with the right strategy and the right structure, these 3 offers together can really, really help you to scale your business to your first or next 6 or multiple 6 figures fast. Now, if you need support to create and launch your very own signature offer or design your 6-figure product suite, then I want to invite you to apply for a signature offer that sells. This is our 6-month high-touch, high-level group coaching program designed specifically for coaches who are ready to create, launch, and scale their very own signature offer that can help them go from 6 figures and beyond in their coaching business. I want you to head over to the link in the description somewhere on this video and apply to join us. It literally takes 3 minutes to fill out the applications. We just want to know a little bit more about you, a little bit more about your business, so we can determine if you're a good fit for signature offer that sells and how we can support you to get your business to 6 figures and beyond, all through your very own signature offer. I can't wait to see your applications, and thank you for watching.